very warm good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are doing great at home and enjoying your online classes. Today I am here with the new lesson of grammar, which is lesson number 17, short forms. So at first, we will know about short forms. We generally use short forms for some words in spoken English. Short forms are used to speak speedily. So now you can read some sentences. It is an interesting story. Here you can see every word is in its particular way. So now I will use short form of it is, and the sentence is it's an interesting story. As you can see, the sentence is now short. Similarly, the next sentence, I will not drink milk. I won't drink milk. The next one is, you have not completed your work. Now, after using the short form, you haven't completed your work. As you can see the differences. So similarly, I will show you some examples. Here are some short forms for you. The word is she will, and the short form of she will is she'll. Here, how we will write it? S-H-E, she, then apostrophe, then double L. The next word is you will, and the short form of you will is you will, and you will write it like Y-O-U apostrophe, then L-L. The next word is I am, and the short form of I am is am. I apostrophe am. The next one is he is, and you will write it as H-E apostrophe then S. Next is they are, and you will write it as T-H-E-Y, they apostrophe R-E. Now, we also add not to some words and make their short forms. Some examples are is not, isn't, I-S-N apostrophe then T. Next is are not, aren't, A-R-E-N apostrophe T. Next is was not, wasn't, W-A-S-N apostrophe T. Next is do not, and the short form of do not is don't, D-O-N apostrophe T. The next is did not, and the short form of did not is didn't, D-I-D-N apostrophe T. Now, we will do some exercise, and the first exercise is write the short forms. So, here you can see we have to write the short forms, and the words are given is not, will not, should not, did not, she will, cannot, do not. So here I have already written the short forms for that. So for short form, is not, isn't, I-S-N apostrophe T, will not, won't, W-O-N apostrophe T, should not, and the short form of should not is shouldn't, S-H-O-U-L-D-N apostrophe T, did not, didn't, D-I-D-N apostrophe T, she will, she'll, S-H-E apostrophe double L, cannot, and the short form of cannot is can't, C-A-N apostrophe T. Next is do not, and the short form of do not is don't, D-O-N apostrophe T. Some more words are there. Have not, haven't, H-A-V-E-N apostrophe T. It is, it's, I-T apostrophe S. I have, we will write I apostrophe V-E. I am, and we will write it as I apostrophe M. He has, and we will write it as H-E apostrophe S. Now let's move to the next exercise. Here we have to rewrite the sentences using short forms for underlined word. The first sentence is I am waiting for my school bus. Here you can see the underlined words are I am. So the short form of I am is I apostrophe am. I'm waiting for my school bus. The next is get ready, you will get late for the show. And here the underlined words are you will, and the short form of you will is get ready or you will get late for the show. You will, YOU apostrophe double L. The next sentence is Sheba had not taken your book, and the underlined words are had not, and the short form of had not is hadn't. Sheba hadn't taken your book, HADN apostrophe T. The next sentence is do not tease animals, and here the underlined words are do not, and the short form of do not is don't. Don't tease animals, DON apostrophe T, don't. The next sentence is Mina did not submit the form. Here the underlined words are did not, and the short form of did not is didn't. Mina didn't submit the form. Here the spelling of didn't is DIDN apostrophe T. The next sentence is I will not eat junk food. So the underlined words are will not, and the short form of will not is won't. So the answer is I won't eat junk food, WON apostrophe T. The next sentence is you cannot climb this tree. Here the underlined words are cannot. So the short form of cannot is can't. You can't climb this tree, CAN apostrophe T. The next sentence is we should not talk in the library. Here the underlined words are should not. So the short form of should not is shouldn't. So the answer is we shouldn't talk in the library, SHOULDN apostrophe T. The next sentence is you have not completed your task, and the word is given have not. So the short form of have not is you haven't completed your task. Next one is Nitin does not like mushroom, and the underlined words are does not. So the short form of does not is doesn't, and the answer is Nitin doesn't like mushrooms, DOESN apostrophe T, doesn't. The next sentence is you are wasting your time, and the underlined words are you are. So the short form of you are is you are wasting your time, YOU apostrophe RE. The next sentence is Sonali had not received my mail, and the underlined words are had not. So the short form of had not is hadn't, and the answer is Sonali hadn't received my mail, HADN apostrophe T. So this is it for today. In our next class we will do the next lesson of grammar. So till then, stay safe at home and enjoy your classes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.